step into the Ford 2019 F-150. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are FX4 off-road package included, hill descent control, off-road tune, front shock absorbers, skid plates, fuel tank transfer case and front differential, 4x4 FX4 off-road body side decal, front license plate bracket included, standard in states requiring 2 license plates, optional to all others, electronic locking with 3.31 axle ratio, class 4 trailer hitch receiver included, towing capability up to TBD on 3.3 L V6P FDI engine, 99B, and 2.7L EcoBoost engine, 99P, or up to TBD on 3.5L EcoBoost engine, 994, 3.5L EcoBoost high output engine, 99 grams, and 5.0L V8 engine, 995, smart trailer tow connector and 4-pin/7-pin wiring harness.